Hey everyone, we over here at the Point, the car show going on. They do every year. Excuse me about the hands. I'm gonna show you a whole bunch of classic muscles. Let me know what you think. Let's start over here. Let's go this way, Beth. Yeah, we can walk down. We got an Impala right here, SS. We got a heavy
So I gotta
Chevy.
go do some homework stuff. Homework?
No, it's fine.
No,
I
I'm
get
just fixed I did it out of years.
We got a 442. It's still early out here yet. Still got more cars coming in. We got the ZL1 Camaro. We got the Malibu here, the 307. Very nice and clean. Got the Hellcat. We got the B right here. Must have stepped on something on those tires. Yeah, those tires are wide. I didn't even realize that. Oh, the smoke. That's all airbag. I forgot to push it down. It's like blowed up. I don't want to touch it because then it's gonna stop. Hello, Beth. I matches the sign, but
Watch out, she'll run you over. Drive me. Ahead.
oh, this is turbo. Sky.
Pull ahead. Get over that way some more. Towards my car a little more. Yeah. All right, get that. You're good. No, turn the wheel the other way.
See backwards.
Turn it the other way. Straight back. Okay.
Watch behind you, babe. That's a nice Mustang. Ooh, turbo. Oh, it's a full charge. Nice. Oh, snap. Got some over here. I didn't even look over there. Nova. Nice and clean. That's a Nova. Oh, Mike is selling his truck? Mike is selling his truck, the one they stole. That's the one they took, I think. Yeah, he's selling it. It's nice. I think that's his. I'm not sure. Mikey,
What's up, man?
how you doing, brother?
How's it going?
Chilling.
How you doing, Mike? How's it going? Good. Did much of a turnout this morning? What's that? Did much of a turnout this morning? Oh, I didn't do it. Yeah, I always turn it.
big ass Jeep.
Perfect day today.
Oh, look at that. It is an eagle. That's the first time I see an eagle around here. We got beautiful cars out here, all these classics.
Right.
God bless them all. Which one? Oh, that's nice. Let's go take a look at it. It's very nice. What is it? A Thunderbird? Let me see. What is it? Oh, yeah. Wow. This is very nice. Wow, it's very nice. They're moving them up. That's a nice car. One punch back.
Which one?
Yeah, that's a buggy. It's a cute little buggy. If it is a buggy, it looks like a buggy.
It's not.
Yes, it is, baby.
Okay.
It looks like a buggy to me.
Watch when we go past it and I read the back of it. If it's not punching me in your throat.
That's a buggy.
Okay.
It looks like a buggy to me.
No, don't worry. Wait until I read the back of it.
Yeah, not a lot of people walk.
Wow, look at that. That's new. Something different. Look at the old caddies. Remember my parents had one of these many years ago. Wow, all stock. Still got the... Wow. He just wants you. He can take it. That's what you drop. That's what you get. Old man trying to kick it to my girl. He was like, nice tattoo. Yeah, I know what tattoo he wants. He can have it. Let's go look at this Camaro. Oh, it has the original motor into it. Yep. Yeah.
Here, let me give you
Watch this
let
up.
me give you a flyer for our show. As long as you have a just about it. That dude just brakes, gas.
Oh, Mark one. That's
Gas. I mean, just
that Mustang.
the only
Those are
upgrade
nice.
of the car for the track attack was a 3-point roll cage.
My mom had one of these. Yeah, many years ago. I think I was like 13. She didn't let me drive it. I took it. That one in New Jersey. Oh, he is here. Oh, he is here. There go his car over there. James' car. Nice and clean. What, this old one?
Yeah.
Let me get James' cars on my channel. It's got the Hemi. Oh, we got a Pro Charge. Right there. It's got power. This one's Negritos, if I'm not mistaken. Beautiful. That's a nice and clean. Gorgeous. Well, I guess we're going to the other side. We got the Stingray right there. go look at this side. Now you're gonna get a tan, babe.
No, I'm scared. I already have one.
Yeah, we got some more over here. I didn't bring my car in. I left it at the parking lot. Didn't feel like putting it in the show. So I left the Camaro over there. I gotta make another video of it. Which one?
I forgot.
Oh, the buggy?
The one, the fake buggy?
It's a buggy. Actually, guy. It's a buggy.
No, I'm gonna read it.
I think it's a buggy. It's a sports car buggy. Don't say buggy if it's not a buggy. He'll get mad. I think it's a buggy. It is. The motor's in the back. It is. Oh, look at a nice hot rod right here. Beautiful. Well, I don't know why they put that thing in the front. It looks so nasty on that Corvette. You do that. 442. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice and clean chrome at the back. Got another hot rod right here. I think this is a 327 in it. Real nice. Nice and clean. Oh, look at the gauges on that. I love cars with those new gauges, the new hot rods. All the new cars with the gauges are nice.
I think Ryan would have sold me 18 pound muscle. Unless they're going to have a prize. No, that could be. Yeah.
Oh, look at all the Camaros over there. Let me go check those out real quick before I walk there, because I'm not going to walk in here. Looks like the one that I have. That's the same scoop. I think this is a 3rd gen, if I'm not mistaken. That's the body kit in it. Oh yeah. This gotta be the 3rd or 4th gen. The gauges are different compared to mine. Got this nice little S10 right here. Very nice. Oh, you know that's not stock. 380, 383 stroker. Nice. Got a nice antique right there. I wonder who's the owner of this car right here. I would like to know who's the owner of this car. Let's go back to recording over here. Oh, that was one of the old Chargers right there. We got the Corvette. Ooh, look at that. SRT. Wow, look at this SS Chevrolet. Ooh, that's gorgeous. That Chevrolet. Huh? That's gorgeous. Oh, check these out, guys. This is a Ford, the old Ford. Look what we got in the back. You gotta check this out. It's pretty cool. It's called, I can't even pronounce that, I guess. It's a jet ski, I guess. That's pretty cool. Wow, this is nice. Wow. That's pretty cool out there. Got another one right here. Got the old school ones right here. Yeah, I should have brought mine in then. I didn't know it was gonna be this many of these. Nice. Okay, now I gotta come over here. Check these right here. Gotta come to the other side first. We gotta come our way back up. We got a hot rod right here, real gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, look at this GMC. That's gorgeous. We got the bike in the back. They got a little bike. This is a little mobile or something. A little sports car. Look at that. Check this out. That is so cool. Look at the big tires in the back of it. That's so cool.
I just never.
Nice.
It wasn't bad, but
This is nice and clean. Very nice and clean. Wow. This nice 454 Chevy Super Sport. That's gorgeous. Got a Camaro right here. Z28. Wow. Gorgeous. Look at this one right here. If it was black, it would remind me of the movie, I think it was called Cobra from Sylvester Stallone. Look at the bottom pipes. That's pretty cool. Nice hot rods. This is so gorgeous. I love these days like this. I like when everybody gets together, put cars together like this. Beautiful thing. What is this right here? I never seen this one. Don't even have a clue what it is. That is gorgeous. Very nice. Where you going? You gotta go this way. You call Eddie or something?
Yeah.
What happened?
Show him that vehicle.
And what he said?
He said that's awesome. And then he said that, well, I'm a brand.
Mm.
He said I'm
Wow, that's nice.
And then I showed him the Jeep that has big wheels, and he said, no, he won't be able to climb up it. He's too short.
Yeah, he's too short for that. Look at this nice one right
So
here.
he's trying to get his house ready because his friend's coming up from Georgia or something like that. They're on him.
Yeah, that's his best friend. Wow, look at this. It's nice. I like to look at the. I don't know if y'all can see the tinted red on the windows. That's pretty cool. It's the first time I ever seen one like that. Wow, this is a big block. Nice. Have a Coyote. I think it is. No, it's not. Okay. Gorgeous. Wow. Old Mustang right here. I think I recorded this one right here, I think.
No, we were down there.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I think I came up this way.
No, they're down there.
Oh, so he moved the car or something. Ah, wow, look at this. What is this? It's an LTD, whatever that is. Wow, look at this one. American flag all over. Beautiful flags. Beautiful flags.
Because when I went and did the car show on Palm
What was that Ashley talking about? She's leaving him? GT, wow. This is nice. Sorry. Wow, look at that. What we got in here? It's a Cobra. Check this out, guys. LE, what kind of car is this? What is this? It's just a GT there. Wow, this is XL Ford, or this is a Ford. Wow, check that out. That's new. Look at the pipes in the bottom, pretty big. Wow, this is nice. I never seen one like this before. This is, wow, it's gorgeous. Let's go up this way now. Look at the other ones. Wow, this thing is better than holding a phone. Look at the vet. Nice deep dish rims it has on it. It's gorgeous. Look at those rims on it. Oof. Nice low rider. Gorgeous.
Cool.
This is nice. Ah, this is nice, clean. It's an SS. Beautiful. This is what I want. This is a car I'm looking for. My dad had one. What up? Wow. This is what I'm looking for. One of these. Wow. You can see the wall. They did something to the back. They took out some stuff. This is what I always wanted. My dad had one of these. Always wanted one. Wow, this one is. Wow, look at that. gorgeous and clean in it. This is what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Ooh, Eddie had one of these. He sold it many years ago. Ooh, it's pretty nice and hot out here today. Wow, look at this. The front of this Camaro. Looks like from the future. The SS. You'll hear the music later on. Wow, this is nice. Too much yellow for me.
I get home and she's like, oh, you made it again. No, I actually pretty much quit. Oh, good. Glad to hear it.
I did too.
Want a beer?
Ray, look at the chain he has on this. Next to the Pro Charger. Next to the Pro Charger. That's pretty cool. I like that.
That's what Eddie needs for his boat.
That is
He
so.
ain't gonna go nowhere else.
That's different. That is so cool what he did there. Huh?
That's what Eddie needs on his boat. He's never gonna leave his yard.
I know. It's nice. Wow. Big ass Jeep. Big wheels.
Tell you I'm going to winch for this trailer.
Nice. Now we got all the vets right here lined up. Let's go up this way, but this is a nice color. Very nice. We got more vets over here. They all stick it together. We got all the music, food over here. Got that nice Jeep right there.
Believe it or not, folks, that was the late great Andy Don Meredith. Monday Night
Don.
Football and Dallas Cowboys fame, singing Traveling.
Walk through here, trying to stay away from the sun. But that's how I get both at the same time. We got a lot of more going up that way. Go up this way. More cars come in. Probably make another video. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Nice. Still got cars coming in. All right, everyone. Talk to you in a little bit. God bless and take care. Please subscribe.